Let me start with something kind of wild. There are people right now paying for supplements, drinks, and detox teas. To get benefits your body will naturally give you for free. If you just stop eating for a little while. Yeah, I know. It sounds too simple. And that's the problem. Because if something is simple, we assume it's not powerful. But fasting is one of the most powerful things you can do for your health, your energy, and honestly, your life. And no, this is not starving yourself. This is not a diet. This is not punishment. This is about letting your body do what it was built to do. Look, we live in a world where there's food everywhere. Snacks in your bag, snacks in your car, snacks next to your bed. You can get a full meal delivered to your door without even talking to a human being. So we're constantly eating. Not because we're hungry, but because we're used to eating. Our body never gets a break. And when your body never gets a break, it never gets to repair. And that's where fasting comes in. So in this video, we're going to break down the truth about fasting in 3 simple parts. What fasting actually does in your body, no science degree required. Why fasting makes you feel better, not worse, when you do it right. How to start in the simplest, most sustainable way. No extremes. No 3-day water fast in a cave. No only breathe air between 11:02 a.m. and 7:16 p.m. Just clarity. Sound good? Cool. Let's go. 1. What fasting actually does in your body. Your body is incredibly intelligent, like way more than we give it credit for. When you stop eating for a while, your body goes, oh, cool, we're not digesting food right now? Great, let's switch to maintenance mode. This starts a process called cell cleanup, or autophagy if we're being fancy. Think of it like your cells taking out the trash. They remove damaged proteins, broken cell parts, and all the junk that slows you down. This is why fasting is linked to increased energy, better brain clarity, reduced inflammation, and even healthier aging. Your body heals when it's not busy digesting food. And honestly, that just makes sense. 2. Why fasting can make you feel better, not worse. Now, the first time most people hear fasting, they picture themselves dramatically collapsing on the couch, whispering, I'm starving, 37 minutes after their last meal. But here's the twist. Hunger comes in waves. It rises, peaks, then fades, just like a craving. If you can ride the wave for 20 minutes, most of the hunger passes. Plus, when you fast, something amazing happens. Your body starts using stored energy, meaning fat, for fuel. So instead of needing constant snacks to feel okay, you become steady, clear, calm, and you stop thinking about food all day. Like your brain can finally go, silence. It's kind of peaceful. 3. The simplest, easiest way to start fasting. Okay, here's the part where people usually overcomplicate everything. You do not need a spreadsheet. You do not need an app telling you when to eat. And you definitely do not need to jump into 24+ hour fasts. Start simple. 12 hours of not eating. That's it. If you finish dinner at 7 p.m., eat breakfast at 7 a.m. You've already fasted before, you just didn't call it that. Once your body gets used to that, try 14 hours, then 16 if it feels good. And if you never go past 14, that's still progress. Because fasting isn't about heroics, it's about consistency. This is your body, not a competition. But let's be real for a second. You don't fast just to fast. You fast because of how you feel when you do. Lighter, clearer, more in control. More you. And if you've been feeling tired, heavy, foggy, or just off, it might not be because something is wrong. It might simply be because your body hasn't had a break in a long time. Fasting gives you that break. Let's recap. Super simple. Fasting works because your body is built for it. You already do it every night. It gives your cells time to repair and reset. It makes hunger and energy stable, not chaotic. Start small. Give your body space. Let it do what it already knows how to do. No hype, no extremes, just nature. So here's your challenge. Tonight, stop eating 2 hours earlier than you usually do. That's it. Just one small shift. You don't need motivation. You just need to try it once. And if tomorrow you wake up with more clarity, more calm, more ease, you'll understand exactly why so many people swear by fasting. Because taking care of your body isn't complicated. It's actually pretty easy. You've got this.